don't know if anybody can guess who I am. I don't know if anybody can guess who I am. I don't know if anybody can guess who I am. But I'll tell you, I'll show you who I am in a minute, but let me show you what's going on. Want to come on out here with me for a little while. I don't know if anybody knows who I am. I don't know if anybody knows who I am. Just take a look around a little bit. You might figure it out. I don't know, but it's a snowstorm. And I'm in Baldwinsville, New York. Left Rochester this morning at 5 o'clock this morning. And we're gonna clean up the truck a little bit. Oh, this mess, man. I don't know if anybody know who I am. I'm not gonna say my name because I'm in witness protection program. But we're definitely inside a blizzard out here. They got me working, not working hard. Woo! Man, anybody know who I am? Gotta get some gloves. I gotta get some gloves. Woo, I gotta get some gloves. Just hold on a second while I get some gloves. Hold on a minute while I get some gloves. Coming up. I'm not gonna tell you who I'm fighting, but tell them to come on with it. I got a boxing match coming up. I'm not gonna tell you who it is, but you tell him I said come on and get some of this here. Tell him I said come on with the get on. I don't know if y'all know who this is, but I gotta get it on. Let's go. Come on outside. Hey, come on outside with me for a little while. Let's walk around a little bit. My truck. It's a snowstorm. I don't know what I'm gonna do because right now tractor trailers is banned. Tractor trailers are banned from getting on I-90 both directions, so we can't take the throughway. They don't want the tractor trailers on the throughway, and I didn't take it this morning either. I had to go all around on the back roads, and they would tow up. But they don't want me on the throughway, none of us. See my truck? I'm trying to get it so you can see it. It's Pretty cold out here. Can't shut it off. I gotta keep everything running hot. Can't shut it off. Gotta keep it running so nothing frees up. Look at that. Oh my God. We had a little problem this morning, but I fixed it up a little bit. I'll show you underneath. I had that airline right there that was hanging. 2 airlines, and I had to get them tied back up. Don't want them to bust on me, and I won't be able to move. So, but I've been going around cleaning my lights, making sure people can see them. You guys figured out who it is yet? You figured out who it is yet? Who drives that truck? You guys figure out who the hell I am yet? God damn it. It's getting cold out here. I don't got all day to wait. But I'll tell you what, I'm in Baldwinsville, New York right now. Just came out of Liverpool. From here I'm gonna head back to Rochester. But we're not gonna take I-90, I'll tell you that right now. We're not gonna take I-90, I'll tell you that right now. Look around. There's nobody out here but me. There's so much snow, I don't know which direction to go. I'm in the woods somewhere in Baldwinsville. So all I got is heat. So all I got is heat and the fuel. But I'm scared to get in there. Somebody's in my truck, keep threatening me. And I get in there, I'm gonna knock his ass out, whoever it is. I'll tell you that right now. Look at that. Look at that. I'll be cleaning it out. Let me do the other side. Up in here, man. It's a mess up in here. Oh no, everything's gonna freeze up if I shut my truck off. Gotta keep the truck running. You can't have nothing shut off. You know? It's a mess. It's a mess. They got me out here in it, I'll tell you that right now. I don't know if you can see that light back there. I'm waiting for that light to turn green. Once that light turns green, then I can leave and go get my paperwork. Boy, look at that, man. I've been trying to clean that up. I'm gonna come up underneath here. You guys can watch me up on the back of it. Cold, man. See? Hey, hey, you figure out who I'm at? Who I am? Got $100. If anybody can tell me who the hell I am, I got $100 for you. I'll tell you that right now. Got a snowstorm going on. And I'm in the middle of it. I got nowhere to go. I don't even know where I'm at. Well, let me get back inside for a minute. I'm gonna punch this guy in his face. I'll come back inside for a little while. Whew. That's how much time I got. 99 miles. I gotta go 99 miles, see? I gotta go 99 miles on the back roads to get back to Rochester. 99 miles. They say I'm gonna get there at 4:02. That's if I leave right now. And Lord knows, can't leave right now because the light didn't turn green yet. Time is ticking. Whew. Whew. Oh man, you guys might know who I am. Some of you might know who I am. But we're gonna reveal the truth. I got a boxing match coming up and we trying to get ready. I'm gonna knock this duck bucket head clean off his shoulders, man. You tell him I want him, tell him I said come and get some. Tell him I said if he wants some, come get some. Tell him I'm ready. Tell him I'm pumped up, fired up, motivated. I'm gonna knock his head clean off his shoulders, dog. This Mike getting ready in the snowstorm. See, I done told you my name, didn't I? I done slipped up and told you my name. It's over now. I might as well reveal who I am. I done slipped up and told you my name. I'm gonna show you who I am now. I done slipped up and told you. I'm about to come up out of this.
Just what you need.
I done slipped up.
Come on over here.
Woo! Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I'm gonna tell you right now, it's cold as a whistle outside. And oh, my light is green, y'all. I got to go bye-bye. The light just turned green. I got to get up out of here to get back to Rochester. So bye.